Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. On the new tutorial, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix cannot reach out to Google Chrome browser. So just follow my steps one by one. Let's go to do this. At the beginning we're going to click on this option here of Windows, and then we'll go to Control Panel. If you couldn't find Control Panel here, just go to search and search for Control Panel and open this option. Whenever you're here, go to View By and change from category to large icons, and then go to Internet options on this one up here. And then go to connections and choose LAN settings, and here just make sure to untoggle this option, which is user proxy server for your LAN. Make sure also that automatically detected settings, you click on it and then choose OK, and then now go to advanced and click on restore advanced settings, and then click on OK once again. Now you need to go to open the browser to double check this. So open the browser and go to Google, and as you can see here, it works successfully. And that was all today's video, and this is the tutorial to how to fix Google Chrome. So at the end, if you found this video helpful and useful, just please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.